hi viewers, welcome back. So I think it's been a while again since I filmed my last video. I think so. It's been super hot. Like, it's still hot right now, so I'm pretty sure you can hear my fan on. Today's video I wanted to finally film my, I guess, eyebrow routine, since I said I was gonna do that in the last video. So yeah, I finally got my eyebrows done. I let them grow out for like a month, maybe like 2 months, and so my birthday is on Friday, so I decided, well, today's Wednesday, my birthday's on the 24th, which is on Friday, so I had to get them done so I look at least decent, even though I'm not gonna do nothing. I'm pretty sure I just wanted to look like, not like Chewbacca, you know, with my hairy ass eyebrows. My eyebrow pencil that is my favorite ever is the MAYBELLINE Total Temptation eyebrow. I have the color soft brown, and I've tried a couple of other pencils since I fell in love with this one, just to test out to see if I would like it or not. And I don't know, I keep going back to this pencil. It's like, recently tried out this e.l.f. Ultra Precise eyebrow pencil, and I mean, I liked it. It was nice. It was just like a little bit more waxy. And like, what color did I get? I got like a light brown color too, but since it's like really like skinny and tiny, like it was kind of like you had to work hard with it. But I liked it. I felt like it was a dupe for the Anastasia one, the skinny one that's exactly like this one, so I like that one too. I just kind of prefer the Maybelline one. And also, like, I believe this one was only $5, but it didn't come with, like, it didn't seem like it came with that much product. And this one was like about, this one is like about $7, and it like seems like it comes with like a lot more product, so I'd rather spend that little bit extra dollars for a little bit more product. And this one, like, because of how thin it is, like I twisted a lot out one time and like a whole chunk fell out. I was like, oh, I was so mad. And also I want to try, I mean, I usually don't use concealer on my eyebrows like after like I fill them in, but I just found this at the 99 the other day, so I wanted to try it. It's the Maybelline Brow Precise Perfecting Highlighter. I've seen people like use it to clean up under their brow like after they're done, so I wanted to try to use it to see how it looks since I found it for $1. I got the color medium. For my eyebrow routine, I know it's like really simple. It's probably like the easiest eyebrow routine there is because it's just an eyebrow pencil. So let's go ahead and get started. So of course, I know most people don't really like to fill in the beginning of their brows, but I do. Like, I try to do it like really lightly like this, because I feel like that's what gives your brows more of the shape. And I kind of just like wipe it off right here. I kind of like start to outline the bottom. Go to the tail and I move to the top. And I like the way this pencil is shaped. Like, it helps you do that so easily. Like, I don't know if you can see like the kind of weird shape. Like, it helps you, like, you know, like it kind of curves to your eyebrow, like the tail. Now you start again from the top over here. And then from here, I just kind of like start filling in the, kind of like making lines to fill in the eyebrow, like so. Kind of lightly, don't like go heavy-handedly. What I like about this eyebrow pencil is that it's like smooth and waxy at the same time. Like, I don't know, like it's the perfect smoothness, like creaminess, and the perfect waxiness. Okay, so it looks like that. Now I just take the other side and I kind of brush it out. I know my eyebrows aren't perfect either, trust me, I know, but I try my best. I just keep filling it in lightly. I don't ever try to use a heavy hand. There's like not much to clean up under there, but I guess it's like to highlight it. So I'm gonna go ahead and try. Oh, this is really creamy. I'm just gonna take this brush to like kind of blend that in. Nice, it makes it look nice and smooth and highlighted. It's good. So again, I start with the front very lightly. And I like to kind of start with the top, and then I kind of start shaping the end as well. And I start with the bottom at the end. I'll start with the rest of the bottom, kind of outlining it, and then I kind of start filling it in right here. Blending it out now. Usually that's like all I really do to my brows. I don't do much. Every now and then I actually set it with this Essence Lash and Brow Clear Mascara. So I'll go ahead and do that now. I just use it to set the brows to kind of keep them in place because my brow hairs are weird. And put on the rest of my face makeup so you guys could see it all together. Okay guys, so I'm ready to go catfish people. I'm just kidding. Just wanted you guys to see the completed look with the brows. I know they're not like snatched brows like all these girls be having. But it's my brows, it's the way I do it. If you're a beginner, maybe it's the way you can start to do it. But yeah, anyway, so I know probably most of you, like half of you, if you guys watch me, you probably know how to do better brows than I do. But this is the way I do my brows, and it was a highly requested video from my fiance's cousin's wife. So this is for you, Jackie. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed it, Jackie, and I hope it helped you guys. But anyways, I will go ahead and see you guys next time. Bye.